Negasngi Menteri Rengba Kejela u Conrad Sangma cirup wa Menteri Kecnat Tourism usngau Bahalang Dhar wa MLA Jowai u Wailat Miki Shela dawai ki ya ka Maternal and Child Health Hospital wa chispa thauthia ka wa hapan ler Jowai hak ya lang wa dapen man hap chem ka PWD Jowai u Conrad da ong wa ichai ikhia ki bru to i wa kong santam ya kani ka sarkar wa nei benta ka kujut khlam covid khat khande de ye baha ko ukre ye kam wa penjana ya ki thaw sumar da ong wa hepor wa wan ka kujut khlam da chibun i ikhor wa chem ka sarkar heya to wa ki thaw sumar we de ye ukre pen bai le ye ki bon ki yi we da pen tip wa ka sarkar da pen plia go ye ki thaw sumar he wa chna pen mian ya hadu prapaut li ki thaw sumar ha po chisnem we de ye wan ra hadu chi hajar tli ki palong ha ki thaw sumar ha ka leng ke jela Cucu da ongu wa kamwa arspa tali ki thaw sumar da yo boarding gina kasngi na mo solar power we da pendai le ki wigi tiar ki wambam boarding were we da pelut sa arspa san pau kulur ha ki thaw sumar da pentip u wa da mang chispa san pau kulur wo chna ya lispa tali ki sub center sa ka jela khat ar point san kulur wo chna ya ki chipau tali ki integrated public health laboratories wa ar tali ki critical care blocks ha ilut wa so pau nyau point san kulur u Conrad da pentip ule wa ka Mekhalaya ye ko man ka wi na ki sotali ki jela kari ki wa pelut chibun nei benta i chai ikhia kat kam ka GDP ka jela da ongu wa kam ka sarkar duna ko ha ka poisa poilan tangwa man go ka sarkar ka wa kre chitom wa wanra ye ki kam penroi de wa panyarap na ka sarkar perdi kam na ka chnat sarkar India wa ka 15 Finance Commission Hadin wa waya umuyu rimyong ka MCH da ki pai ba wa pentip wa gani ka thaw dang man go ka wadang khang kamte da sakhi wa ki dawar wa psi chapo yong gani ka MCH ni kasngi dang man higi ki wadang khang
I assure you that from the government side every effort will be made to ensure that all facilities, full manpower and whatever equipments are required will be provided to ensure that this maternity and child health hospital functions with 100% efficiency. There are challenges. We have to do much more, and I assure you that we will. We have overall challenges in terms of recruitment, especially in the health sector. And that is why, to overcome those challenges, we have also come out with a separate recruitment board for the health sector, especially for doctors and specialists. And within the next few months, we expect that through this medical recruitment board, all the positions for doctors and specialists will be filled up in a short time. Hence, education, health has been an area which has been of great importance to our state, and the government of Meghalaya has responded appropriately in order to meet those challenges.